Well, we have to let him go.
Why?
Because we're not taking him home. This is where he lives.
This is his home, Jack.
This whole entire place is his home.
Yeah.
I'll put him somewhere.
Okay, well, don't break his tail. I just want to see what he does if you let his tail go.
No! Let his tail go! He's gonna run away!
Well, yeah. That's the idea, but I want to see if he runs up your arm or if he'll jump off.
He's gonna jump off.
Okay, let's see.
Let go! I want to pin him somewhere!
Else. Here. I want to do it. See if he runs off my arm. Okay, ready? Let go. Let's go.
But he's gonna run away.
He might not. Let him go. Let him go.
See?
Looks like he's given up.
We came out here today to Crystal Lake to do a little exploring.
No. You're kind of hurting him.
Jack
like that.
tried to do a little fishing.
It doesn't hurt. Put him on your arm. Put him on your hand.
It's a Tuesday and it's beautiful out.
Oh God!
Uh-oh. It's gonna go up your shirt.
Come on, Jack.
Put him on this, Mommy.
Just leave him alone. Poor little lizard.
Put him on this, Mom. Put him on this.
Caught him and you've been hanging him by his tail this whole time.
Put him on a stick. Put him on a stick.
Oh, you don't want him to run up your sleeve?
Yeah, I don't want him to run up my sleeve. It's my lizard. I caught him.
Okay.
Mom, put it on. Hey, get off of me!
Okay, don't hurt him, you guys. Come on.
No, it's my lizard.
Okay, Jack. Okay.
Let him
Just
go.
let him go.
Let him go.
Whoa, here's this big black one.
I want it. I want it.
There's another little one. Whoa.
Let me have one. Hi, little guy.
If you can catch it. I can't catch it.
I'll catch this one.
Okay, stop.